Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, investing. Specifically, we're going to be discussing the age requirements for opening a Newton account. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I care about the age requirements for a Newton account? Well, the answer is simple. Newton is an amazing platform for investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. It's easy to use, has a wide variety of assets to choose from, and offers low fees. So, if you're interested in getting started with investing, Newton is a great option. But before you can start investing, you need to know the age requirements. So, let's get into it. How old do you have to be to open a Newton account? The answer to this question depends on your location. In Canada, you must be at least 18 years old to open a Newton account. However, if you're under 18, you can still open a Newton account with the help of a parent or guardian. What are the benefits of opening a Newton account? There are a number of benefits to opening a Newton account, including easy to use. Newton is a very user-friendly platform. It's easy to set up an account and start investing. Wide variety of assets. Newton offers a wide variety of assets to choose from, including stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and more. Low fees. Newton has low fees, which makes it a great option for budget-minded investors. Secure. Newton is a secure platform that uses the latest security technology to protect your assets. How to open a Newton account? If you're interested in opening a Newton account, here's how to do it. Go to the Newton website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your personal information, such as your name, email address, and date of birth. Verify your identity by providing a copy of your government-issued ID. Once your identity has been verified, you can start funding your account. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about investing, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. P.S. If you're looking for a discount on your Newton fees, use my referral code, your referral code. You'll get $10 in free credits when you sign up. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.